Friend, I'm going to hold your hand when I say this. Sometimes what you think is for you isn't. Lately, I've been realizing it's okay to pivot and outgrow things that once made sense. This is just a different season. I mean, it's slower, it's quieter, but maybe that's just what real alignment feels like. We all go through seasons where things just stop working, right? Maybe it's your content, maybe it's your routine, maybe it's just the things that you thought that you wanted. And sometimes it's not failure, it's just redirection, right? I mean, the truth is, what once felt right before might not fit the current version of you that's growing. That's when you pause and just realign before moving forward, right? For me, this has been a season of just rethinking what I want to create, not just what performs well, you know? I remember the first time I got furloughed, I had just given birth to my second child and I was on maternity leave. So there was a lot going on. And a friend of mine reached out to me and she was like, hey, I have this health and wellness business. If you're interested, you know, let's work together. And at the time I was vegan, my lifestyle was just completely different and it made sense to me. But at that time, it gave me purpose to get back into creating content. And I started to create content again. And it turned into a great side hustle and I was able to express myself, my creativity, and it just took off. But at that point, I had no idea that that was going to happen. And I had to pivot and make that move. So my question for you is, what are you pivoting or transitioning from right now? What's one thing you're releasing this season? If you've been feeling that tug to realign, this is your sign to listen to it. One thing I do know, not everything that grows with you is meant to go with you. Do I need to say that again? And a little redirection can be a form of protection. The pivot isn't the setback. It's just a pause.